This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and clip it into the hole in the inner wing. Pull up the rubber weather strip from the bulkhead panel. Prise up the centre pins, then lever out the plastic expansion rivet and remove the right-hand half of the scuttle panel. Undo the screw and remove the pollen filter cover. Slide the filter element from the housing. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. Note that the arrows on the side of the filter element indicate airflow and must point in the same direction as the arrow on the casing, to the front. Slide the element into place. Refit the filter cover and tighten the retaining screw securely. Manoeuvre the scuttle panel into position, then insert the plastic expansion rivet. Press the centre pin downwards to secure the rivet. Refit the rubber weather strip to the bulkhead panel. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet, and check it's secure.